How to get more views on your YouTube videos. Several people have gained notoriety or even fame as a result of their YouTube videos. Learn how to increase the number of views on your YouTube videos by reading this WikiHow. 1. Give your video file a meaningful name. Using precise phrases or terms that people could type into a YouTube search is a good idea here. The title of your video should be, "Funny Things to Do with Your Lizard," if you want viewers to find it using that search keyword. 2. Give your video a catchy name. It ought to be succinct, interesting, and direct. If your child accidentally spills macaroni and cheese all over your video, just name it, Mac and Cheese Disaster. It should stimulate the interest of your audience without divulging too much. 3. Clearly describe your video. Most people overlook this stage, but if you want to gain more views, you need be serious about it. In the area you are given, describe your film as precisely as you can. Use 2 to 3 paragraphs to produce an engaging and accurate explanation of what viewers may expect from the video. 4. Pick the best tags. To attract more viewers, include all of the keywords from your title and description in the tags box. Your video will appear more frequently when someone searches for it if you include more relevant tags. For instance, if you're posting a video of your adorable sleeping dog, you may include terms like sleepy, dog, hilarious, and cutest. 5. As soon as you publish your video, share it. It will be more likely to become a YouTube star the earlier you share it. It will be much more likely to be forgotten by the YouTube community if you wait a week to share it when it hardly receives any views. Consider the importance of timing. 6. Send your film to your loved ones, friends, and coworkers by email. Make a list of email addresses for those who are familiar with you enough to be interested in your new YouTube video. Send them the link and encourage them to watch it. To make it clear that you truly want people to see your movie, you could even add, "I can't wait to hear what you think." 7. Utilize social media to distribute your video. Share your video to all of your social networking accounts, including Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google+, and others. Encourage your friends to share, like, and comment on your post. We wish you good luck and tons of fun. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and your support. Have a wonderful day.